Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, aka Princess Audu. If this is your first time joining this channel or watching me, thank you so much for being here and joining this video. So today I am back again with our modesty series. This time I'm going to be giving you guys outfit inspiration for date night. Guys, I've noticed that date night and modest fashion don't exactly go hand in hand. Reason being, if you notice that most date night outfits are kind of skimpy, like, date night involves showing more of your body, more cleavage, more legs and all of that. But we're not doing that, okay? So in this video, I'm just gonna give you guys outfit ideas for date night. Most of these outfits will feature closet basics or simple pieces. They're easy to put together. You can make alterations here and there, but you should have most of these pieces in your wardrobe. And if you don't, you already know what to do. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video as well. And by the way, if you have watched my other videos on modesty, you will know that I'm wearing a bandeau top underneath this top to make it reveal less boobage. Actually cleavage, as they'd say. Guys, let's just hop right in. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up as I said, and subscribe, and let me know your favorite look. Let's go. So for this first look, we're keeping things very easy and simple with a pair of mom jeans. I love mom jeans because they are the perfect, in my opinion, modest essential. They are not fitted, they fit just right and they look good. They're not tight, they're not showing off your bow tie. So here I just paired it with a turtleneck black top, and I just played with black accents with my shoes and my bag. I opted for black strappy sandals to keep it more date night. You could always add a pair of sneakers or throw on a black blazer or any other color blazer to make it more dressy. I just love the way black pairs so nicely with denim. Guys, this is a look that you probably die of heat in Nigeria, but it is oh so classy. For this next look, we're still keeping that same pair of mom jeans, but this time going with a top that has puffed sleeves. Like I said in my video on tips on how to be modest and stylish, going for statement tops always makes you look more stylish while still keeping it modest. So just went with a pair of nude mules to kind of tie everything together. I love this look. Now for this next look, are you guys noticing a formula, by the way? Anyways, I'm pairing a black turtleneck with a wrap skirt, keeping it with black accessories as well, a pair of black sandals, a black clutch. This is a very easy look for date night, perfect for a dinner date, for example. You can always throw on a blazer over it and it'll be perfect for the office. This is an alternative for a black dress, by the way. For this next look, still keeping that black wrap skirt, we're bringing in a pop of print with this snake print top. This is actually from Shein. It's one of my favorite tops. I just love the way animal print looks. I feel like it's perfect for date night. And again, bringing nude accents with my shoes and my bag. Here I am styling a slip skirt, guys. So slip skirts are very thin and the material is thin, so I just paired it with an oversized black blazer and again my black strappy sandals and my go-to bag. Guys, I wear this bag everywhere. But this is a really great look for a date night as well, or a casual brunch, or even a casual work kind of fit. So given the nature of the skirt, it's always nice to throw something that is a bit bulky to kind of cover your bootay, hide panty lines and all of that. Now guys, if all else fails, go for a black dress. A little black dress is perfect. This one is originally from Calvin Klein. It's one of my favorite dresses because it hides all flaws. Love the frill detailing and also the fact that it's a bit sleeveless. Again, if you don't have a black dress, you can just go with a black top and skirt like I did in the earlier look. It's an alternative, but if you don't have a black dress in your wardrobe, please fix it up. Every lady should have at least one or three, like for different things, date night, work, church, and all of that. For this next look, I am wearing this dress as a skirt. Remember, this is a tip that I gave in how to make shorter dresses more modest. I just threw on a beige skirt over the dress, and here I have the dress looking like a top, keeping it with my nude mules and a black clutch. This is perfect for a dinner date. Now we're bringing back again that extra top, but then keeping it with black flare trousers. I initially wanted to pair it with jeans. You can also do that, but I just like trouser bottoms that are a bit free, especially when the top is short. So this is a very easy, classy look, perfect for date night, perfect for a dinner date. And notice how I wore a tube top underneath to reduce the amount of cleavage or boobage that is showing. So this is another look that you can wear for date night. Just go for an extra top and pair with a basic pair of trousers as well. You can always go with colored trousers instead of black, by the way. Now here's another look, bringing back again that beige pleated skirts. Guys, pleated skirts, midi skirts are so Versatile and stylish. Here I just styled it with a turtleneck top, a contrasting turtleneck top in burgundy to add a pop of color to this look. Then I threw in a pop of print with a leopard print clutch and nude pumps. This is a great look for a dinner date as well. You can always go with a long sleeve turtleneck top. That's just about it, guys. What was your favorite look? What outfit or item would you wear? What are some outfits that you can recreate? Definitely do let me know in the comment section. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, my next vlog, or maybe my next video on modesty. So I will leave a link so you can catch up with the other videos in this series. Check out this playlist or the cards. It will be somewhere there. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.